Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Today I am going to explain, is it possible to create circular flange on edge flange? See, I am going to take the example of this component. And I am going to show you how to create edge flange on circular flange. See, before that I am going to explain a small scenario. So I am going to take right plane and going to create a circular flange. See here, I am going to create one flange with this curve. See, this is the curve. So now I am going to create edge flange, selecting this one. See here. So here in this condition, if I want to create this straight cutout at this location, I have to unfold it. So I am trying to select this flat surface, it's not taking. See here. Okay. And if I want to edit this sketch, so we are not able to edit this sketch. See, it is created with sweep. Even though it's an edge flange, it created with a sweep. See here. So we are not able to modify. So it is difficult to create this kind of component with this scenario. So I am going to apply other one. In this condition, what I am going to do is, I'm going to select the right plane, so I'm going to create this curve. See here, select these 3 points and make it horizontal. And this radius is 30. This is 20. And select these 2 points, that is center of this arc and horizon, make it vertical. So it is constrained now. See, instead of creating the base flange with this curve, I am going to create base flange with this sketch. See here. So I am going to make it vertical. And this is 20 mm. See, so I am going to create base flange with this, and I have taken 1 mm thickness and K factor as 0.4. See here. See, this is my base flange and it is flat. Now I am going to create edge flange. See, here I am going to take 28 and say OK. See here. So now I have created this top two flanges. Now I am trying to unfold this. I am going to select this face. It's selecting now. Earlier condition it was not selecting. Collect all brands and unfold it. See here. So now I can modify this component easily. So now I am going to add one more flange at the bottom, and this is around 50. Say okay. Edit sketch. See here. So let's see with unfold. So we have to edit this and collect all bends. So it's going to add one more bend. See, we are able to unfold it. See here, I am going to modify this 28 to 31. So are we able to create unfold or not? So it's not creating. So there is a limitation. So I couldn't find it out. So for time being I am keeping it as 28. See here. So there is a limitation in this software. So now I am going to create the rest of the features. Select this face, go to sketch, select straight slot, so we have to select this line and edge coincide. Go to sheet metal, select extruded cut, link to thickness. We have to link to thickness, keep it normal. So this cutout has been created now. Now we can fold this, collect all bends and say OK. Now I am going to select break corners and apply fillets. So we can simply select this face. So it is created at this location. I am going to apply 1 mm equivalent to thickness, and if I apply for the circular one, it doesn't select. So we have to select the edge. So this component is ready. You can see the flat pattern. So we can understand that in one scenario we cannot create a circular flange on edge flange. Using a second scenario as I created earlier, by creating this base flange and this flange as a edge flange, we can create circular flange on a edge flange. So thanks for watching.